Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Tech Reviews from the Bathroom. Listen, got another new device, a universal remote control. This is not our first go round with the Sofabaton. This is the U2. Let's get to the unboxing, the setup, and then I'm going to share my final thoughts. Let's go.
Thank you for that intro tech. Let's jump into the unboxing. The unboxing is pretty straightforward. The remote comes with a user manual, 2 AA batteries, and the device itself. This all-in-one universal remote supports both IR and Bluetooth device, replaces most major remote brands. Scroll wheel design allows quick switching between multiple devices. Smartphone app one-touch setup, easy to set up and customize buttons on any device, excellent IR signal range. U2 Universal Remote has been upgraded to give you a greater transmitting distance and real-time response to fast forward without delay. Now that we have the specs out the way to set it up,